Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question. 5 plus x plus square root of 5x plus x square which is equal to 15, and we have to find the value of x. So from the expression under the square root, which is 5x plus x square is greater than or equal to 0. Now we will solve above equation and find the value of x. So here we have equation 5 plus x plus square root of 5x plus x square which is equal to 15. If we minus 5 on both sides and minus x on both sides, so our above equation will become this and this will be cancelled out, and we have only remaining here square root of 5x plus x square which is equal to 15 minus 5 is 10 and minus x. So from here, to remove this radical sign, we will take square on both sides. So square and square root will be cancelled out, and we have left 5x plus x square which is equal to, it is the form of a minus b whole square, so it will become a square minus 2 times a into b plus b square means x square. So it will become 5x plus x square which is equal to 10 square is 100 minus 2 10 times 20x plus x square. So x square and x square will be cancelled out. So if we add both sides with 20x, so it will become 25x which is equal to 100, and it will be cancelled out. So 25x is equal to 100. Now we will divide both sides with 25. So 25 and 25 will be cancelled out, and the value of x is equal to 25 4 times 100. So x is equal to 4. To check, our given equation is 5 plus x plus square root of 5x plus x square which is equal to 15, and the value of x is 4. So it will become 5 plus 4 plus square root of 5 into 4 plus 4 square which is equal to 15. 5 plus 4 is 9 plus square root of 5 4 times 20 plus 4 square is 16 which is equal to 15. So 9 plus square root of 36 which is equal to 15, and square root of 36 is same as 6. It is a perfect square of 6 which is equal to 15. So 9 plus 6 is 15. So 15 is equal to 15. It means the value of x is equal to 4. Satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.